morning everybody. I am Susri Sangeeta Jaina, welcoming all of you to MKD Education. Today I will give the discussion of computer virus. First about the topic computer virus and application of computers. So these are the outcomes. What are the outcomes? Now to know about the computer virus and application of computers in different domains. So first we will discuss what is a computer virus. What does it mean? Computer virus is a program that may disturb the normal working of a computer system. It means what? Now when a virus will be present in a computer, what happens? The computer will not work smoothly. That's why here we will write, first of all it is a program that may disturb the normal working of a computer system. Means it will not work properly. Okay, it will not work properly. It will hang, it will anything it may occur, but it is not normal working condition. So virus is nothing but a program that may affect or that may disturb the normal working of a computer system. When a virus is attached to a file that is stored in USB, email, pen drive, CD, floppy disk, these are the. When a file containing virus is called as infected file, and if that file is copied to a computer, then virus is also copied to a computers. Okay, so we will know that what is virus. Now virus is nothing but a program that may disturb the normal working of a computer. Okay, so if you will again discuss about virus, what are the full forms of virus? First we will know that virus. Okay, so first we will discuss what is computer virus. So we will discuss about virus means first V. V stands for nothing that is called your vital. I is nothing but called your information. R is nothing but called your resources. U stands for your under. And S is nothing but called your seized. So what is virus? Now vital information resources under siege. So we will know clearly what is virus. Now virus is a program that may disturb the normal working of a computer, and this is the full form of virus. Vital information resources under siege. Okay, so we will give some examples. Virus are present in your computer system. That is, the examples are. What is the examples of virus? The first examples of virus is nothing but call your code red. This is one example of virus, code red. Then Nimba, Ripples, MDMA. So these are the well-known viruses available in your computer systems. So these are the viruses which will be available in your system or available in your vaccine. Code red, Nimba, Ripples, MDA, Melissa. So many viruses are there. Okay. So we are already discussing what is computer virus and what are the examples of computer virus and what is the virus transfer. Then we will discuss about detection of virus. Means what? Now how we will know that a virus is present in our system? That is detection of virus. How we know that virus is present in our system? Now first, computer stops responding. It means what? Now when a virus is present in our system, we should know that computer will not work properly. Means it stops responding. Means if suppose we want to click a file or you want to open a file, means you want to double click a file, at that time file is not opening, file will not responding. It means what? The computer stops responding. So that we know that the virus is present in our system. Then second, what happens? Now disk driver not accessible. Means when we want to access the disk, either any drive will present in your system that is not accessible, that is not responding. That also we know that virus is present. Then third one, the computer starts to run slower than usual. Means when we want to open a file, that after 2 2 minutes, 3 minutes it will open a file. Means normal condition, it will slow than the normal condition. It is very slow. Means when you will restart a computer or when you will open a computer, it will take many time. Means 2-3 minutes. But usually it will not take 2-3 minutes. So this will indicate that virus is present in our system. Then fourth point is one unusual error message occur in computer system. Means sometimes all of you see that when you are opening a file or when you are writing something in your notepad or wattpad, anything, sometimes you see that a error message automatically it will fire. That error message indicates that your computer having some virus. Unusual error message occur in your computer screen. Anything you want to do anything, either you may writing or in your wattpad or anything, at that time suddenly error message will fire. That is also indicates that a computer virus was present in your system. Then next, keyboard or mouse does not respond. You are clicking or you are opening a file through the mouse, you are double clicking, but at that time mouse will not responding. You are typing something, your name or anything you are typing through text through the keyboard, keyboard is not responding. Means if you are pressing S will not be displayed on the notepad or anything. That is means that a virus is present in your system. So these are the symptoms or these are the points which you should know that the virus was present in your system. Okay, clear? So these are the points we already discussed. That is all about your detection of virus. Okay. So next we will discuss if a virus is present, then how you have to prevent, or before coming to the virus in your system, how you have to prevent in your computer that virus was not coming to your system. That is prevention, because prevention is better than cure. Before virus, how you have to prevent your computer. Okay, that is nothing but call your prevention of virus. Now how you have to prevent? Now first, install antivirus software. How you have to install antivirus software? Many antivirus softwares are available, we will discuss later. Okay, so first step is install antivirus software, so that a virus was not coming to your system. Before you have to anything you are accessing net or anything, before that you have to install in your system antivirus. Okay, then keep your operating system up to date. Any operating system you are installing in your system, it may be Windows XP, it may be Linux, any operating system, but that should be up to date. Okay, that should be up to date, so that your virus will not come to your system. Then third, secure your network. Your network should be secure, so that also virus cannot come into your computer. Then last, use multiple strong password. Means unauthentication access, means in your system, if you protect your system by password, then anybody or any person coming to your system, they cannot use your system, so virus was not coming. So use multiple strong password to your system. Okay, so that no one can access. Okay, those who know the password, they can access. So in this way, these are the 4 points we should prevent our system from virus. Okay, so this is nothing but call your prevention of virus. Okay, next we will discuss, suppose after coming these things, antivirus, putting the antivirus, anything, suppose in any purposes your system having virus, then what should you do? Now you have to remove the virus, that is nothing but call your removal of virus. How you have to remove the virus from your system? By putting antivirus. Okay, then how antivirus? Before to this 2 minutes I am telling antivirus softwares. So here we will discuss about the antivirus. Antivirus, first of all, क्या है? Antivirus वो क्या है? Now it is nothing but one type of software. Okay, it is also a software which identifies and remove virus and other malicious software that affect computer. So first of all, antivirus is a software which identifies the virus as well as it will remove the virus. Okay, the most important is it identifies the virus as well as it removes the virus. And antivirus protect computer from virus attacks. Means if you are installing your antivirus software, then virus will not affect to your computer. Okay, so these are the antivirus software available in your market. That is, first one is your ABG, then another antivirus software, that is your Quick Heal, then Kaspersky, Mafai, Norton. So many more antivirus softwares are available in your market. So if you have to install the antivirus software, so virus will not affect to your computers. So all of you got this point. What is antivirus? It is nothing but a software which identifies the virus as well as it will remove the virus. So these are the we are discussing ABG, Quick Heal, Kaspersky, Mafai, Norton are the antivirus software available in the market. You should install the computer as well as protect to your computer from the virus. Okay. So next we will discuss what are the applications of computer in different domain. So these are the applications of computers in different domain. We will discuss one by one. Means in which field we are using the computers. Nowadays what happens now, computers are the essential part of our life. From the invention of computers to till now we are using computers, and computers made our life easier and happier. So we are all acquainted with computers. Nowadays we cannot do anything without use of computers. We are acquainted and it makes our life happier as well as easier. Okay. So in different areas, means in engineering field, in architect field, in research field, every field we are using the computers. So the different areas we are using. So computers have its different many more applications. So we will discuss one by one. What are the applications we are discussed here? See, first we use the application computer aid at education. Okay, this is the first application, that is computers aid at education. It means what? Now in education field we are using computers. Yes, in education means from research sections, means without using of computers we cannot do anything. It means what? Now in your computers what happens? So first application is computers aid at education. So in education fields computer plays a vital role. Now what? Now in your distance learning what happens? With the help of internet and video classes, distance learning is made effective as well as productive. In research line, with the help of internet and computer, what happens in research, everything will be possible. With sitting in our home, every research paper we see, and as well as we discuss, as well as in video classes we should rectify our problems, whatever the doubts we will get. So everything should possible through the video classes, means through the help of internet and computer. So computers in the education field, it plays a vital role. Nowadays what happens, many video classes are present in your YouTube. All of you can see, you can search any topic and that will be available in the market. Okay, so what happens now, sitting in home what happens, we can get every result or everything what we will have some problems, that we will get this. So mainly it will very helpful in your distance courses. What happens now, through the help of internet it will very effective as well as protective. So in education line it plays a vital role. So this is the first application of computers in your education. Okay, so got this point. Then second what happens now, computers in our health and medicine. So what happens now, nowadays what happens in health and medicine, what happens now, computer also plays a vital role. Means from the booking to nowadays what happens, from prescription to the reports. Nowadays what happens now, medical to be digital. Means in medical what happens, all should be digitized. From the prescription to the reports. Means what, now when you are booking, suppose any doctor appointment we are booking, through the help of internet we could book a appointment. So from the prescription or from booking to the reports, we will digitize everything through the help of your computers. So it plays a vital role in our health and medicine. In ECG, today's what happens, ECG and radiotherapy, that are not possible without use of computers. Means without use of computers, therapy and ECG are not possible. Okay, so if computers are not there, we should not perform our ECG as well as therapy. Okay, so in our health and medicine, it also plays the vital roles. and many therapy like your I am discussing ECG or any radiotherapy, we should do this. So, health and medicine cases, this is very useful and helpful. So, next application, that is computers at financial institution of computers for our pastime. So, next application is, that is computers are at financial institution and computers for our pastime. First, we will discuss computers at financial institutions. Means computers are used in financial institutions like your banks. In banks, how the computer helps? Now from the transaction, means from the cash flow to your account details, all we should get from the computer. All are getting through the help of computers. Through cash flow also, cash we are getting any account information, means in any account details also, if we will get the computer. So computers helps in our financial institution. The next, computers for our pastime, means nowadays what happens, computers are the most entertainers as well as pastime machines for the days. What happens, it is the most entertainers, means we should play our music, we should watching movie, children should play, children playing many games, many we should learn also music, listening music. So this is for a computer entertainer for our pastimes. So in this way computer will help you for children's for pastimes as well as financial institution like banks. Computers help us from the account details through transaction, means cash flow. Okay, so in this way computers will help financial institution as well as pastime. So the next application is, computers are a part of our transport system. So nowadays computer is very helpful in our transport system. How? Now using internet in computer, what happens? Now it helps in our transport system. How it helps? Now see, we should book a ticket in buses, in railway station as well as in flight. Through the help of internet we can book our ticket, as well as it should be any updates, means like delay the flights, delay the trains, anything we should update through the help of internet in computers. Okay, so all these are available, or all these should be facilitated by your transport system, as well as transport staffs. They should maintain a database of passengers through travel through their destination. So computer plays the vital role in our transport system, from booking to cancellation, any delays, means any updates message, as well as transport staffs, they will maintain the database. So everything should be possible through the internet and computers. Okay, so in this way computers are help in our transport system. Okay, so next application, that is inevitable use of computers in business and corporate stages. So next application is inevitable use of computers in business and corporate stages. So how the computers helps in business and corporate stages. Single application, what happens, it should be shared and will be relocated through the different computers. What happens, now suppose any official deals and issues that should be present in through internet, any official deal in any office, what happens, any official deals, as well as what happens, any issues that will be suppose present in your official, that should be reshared by the internet in the computers. So what happens, another thing, in internet what happens, email will help you. Through email what happens, any officially document or officially mails that should be transferred and that should be shared among all the staffs. So in this way computer will help in business and corporate stages. So the next application is wonders of computer in e-commerce. In e-commerce what happens, computer plays a vital role. How? Now electronic mail, that is email, all of you know that email that plays a revolutionary cycle. How? Now what happens, from the online shopping, suppose for example we will consider online shopping. Okay, so nowadays all are assessing or all are interested for online shopping because they are sitting at home. What happens, they should visit the different sites from Snapdeal, to any sites, they will go and they will choose their clothes or any item they will choose and they will sub, and online they should payment. So that is the most advantage in your e-commerce. What happens now, it will place the vital role by sitting home, they should avail all those things. They should also payment through online. Nowadays many apps are there, from Phone Pay, Google Pay, through different apps are there. Through online banking, they will payment these shoppings. So online shopping as well as e-payment, that is your online payment, will available in your e-commerce. So this will very helpful for the students as well as from the staffs, or every field they will get benefit in the e-commerce nowadays. Okay, so this is the application of computers in your e-commerce. So the next application is computer at our defense. So in defense, how the computer helps us. Now computer is the main tool which help in designing the missile and many more application in your different systems. It will designing and developing the missiles in your different systems. So through the computer, what happens, the soldiers as well as the commander, what happens, they will bridge a link through the satellites. So through the computers it will possible. So in your defense line, computer also help us. Through satellite, the link can be possible through soldiers as well as commanders. Okay, so this is the application in our defense system. So the next application is, that is your computer is today's designer. In today's designer, what happens, computer helps us many more things. How? Now in computer we are designing many things. From the suppose we are building a home or house. Okay, so in computer we are designing a beautiful designing or layout structure of that building. After then we should construct this. So we are designing building as well as we are designing books, we are designing newspaper, everything we should, before designing we should designing through the computers. So in this way computer is helpful today's designer. So through the help of different tools in computer as well as different softwares are also available. So these tools and softwares we are designing the layouts of the buildings, books, newspapers, everything. So in this way computer will help in today's designers. So these are all about the application of computers in different domain. So we will discuss one by one. I think no doubt will be appear. If any doubt, it should be present. What happens? Now all of you, it is a request, all of you go through that site and subscribe and download and you should share. These are the applications we are discuss one by one. All should go through the sites and this will be explained very clearly. If you are facing any doubt, you should query us. Okay. So next we will discuss, these are the key points what we will discuss today here. Now first we will discuss what is the introduction, what is a computer virus, already we are discussing, then detection of virus, then prevention of virus, then removal of virus, then application of virus in computer domain. So each and every part we should discuss clearly. Okay. So next, these are the important questions in this chapter, means in computer virus chapter. What are the questions? Okay. What is a computer virus and how to remove this? Okay. Already we should discuss what is a computer virus. Already we have discussed. This is nothing but a program or everything we should discuss. And how to remove. Already we are removal of virus means how you are putting antivirus. Already we are discussing what are the antiviruses name, Kaspersky, Norton, AVG. Already we are discussed. Okay. So next question is, what are the different application areas of computers? Recently we are discussing, means what are the applications of computer virus in different domain. Okay. So from the education to today's designing, all these points you should recover. Okay. In education field, in medical, whatever we are discussing before 2 minutes, already you should write. Okay. So these are the important questions in this chapter computer. This is the mostly 2 important question in this chapter. Nothing here you get in this chapter. Okay. So I think all of you clear.